Hello everyone. So today we will be learning about how we can create terrains in terrain editor in Miliastra Wonderland. Okay. So this is the terrain editing. So here we can edit our terrain. So this is the terrain editor. So we have these kind of brush available right now. Okay. So you can see this is the default terrain which is already created. So you can open terrain from here and create a new terrain. So if I delete this terrain and then if I click on the new terrain, then you can see this is the terrain. Okay, so here you can see we have this brush selected, and if I click here we can create the terrain. Okay, similarly we have this brush, this has this different texture, and we have this brush also, and this brush, and then this brush has a different texture. So we have 7 kind of brushes which you can use to create the terrain. Okay, so here one thing I need to tell. So you can see we have right now in create mode. Okay, if we switch to the delete, then we can delete a particular part of the terrain. Okay. Similarly, you can see here we have this slope. Okay, so first let me first create some terrain. Okay, so and to easily create a terrain we have a shortcut for that. Hold on the shift key. Okay, and then drag the brush to see. Firstly you can see the preview of the terrain. Okay, here, so like this you can see preview, right? And once you release your left mouse button, it will generate a terrain. So here now other properties I will show you. So this one, this level out, so this I will quickly show you. First I will create one more. Okay, then if I click on level out, you can see I have removed that part. Okay, similarly you can create this thing, slope, stairs kind of thing, and this also you can create rotated stairs. Okay, and this is to the right. Okay, so this is about this property, and then we have this water. Okay, so if I click here you can see we can create one level of water. Okay, so currently it's the limitation, we can only create one layer of water, but in future they might add multiple layers also. Okay, similarly if you want to delete, you can delete the water. Okay, and this is for creating this dust kind of thing. Okay, this can be used for the soil purpose. Okay, so this is about this terrain. Okay, and one more property you can see here, this count. So if we increase count, then you can see the level is increased, and we can create 6 levels of this terrain. Okay, and similarly if we select delete, it also has this parameter level, so we can remove now 6 levels. Okay, and so if we want to create some say stairs. Okay, so what we will do, we will start with 1. Okay, then we will 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now if we use this uh, stairs. Okay, so you can see like this. You can create the stairs. Okay, similarly for rounded one, if you want to create, then you need to go here, say you want to create from here, here. Okay, so if I go here to the left. Okay, so if I create it here, then okay, then you need to go again here. So once again, here we can then select create, and then you can see we have created this kind of a structure, rounded stairs, and similarly you can continue this and make a entire thing. Okay, so this is the about the stairs. Okay, and this one I already did, and this is done. Water I explained, this one also. And suppose we want to level. Okay, so this I already told you, right? So basically if we have 1 2, okay, then once again, so we have currently, you can see we can remove these levels. Okay, so say you have created this, then you want to level out, so you can remove this. Okay, so this is about the level out. And we can also raise or lower the layer. Okay, so you need to go here. If you click on raise the layer, it will increase one layer, lower will decrease the layer. So you can see, and then suppose you want to, if I selected this part, right? Okay, then if I click erase, it will erase the layer. Okay, if I click lower, it will lower down the layer like this. Okay, and if I selected this and you want to separate it so you can click split here, you can see like this format it will come. Okay, so it will separate two grids. Okay, also this is about the lower layer and this splitting purpose. And also you can set the stepping. So if I say 5, okay, so then if you move this terrain, it will move with a snap distance of 5. Okay, so and similarly this is about the rotate. So if you select say 45 degrees, and if you rotate this, so you can see at 45 degree it will rotate. So yeah, this is about the terrains, and here we have also the environment. Okay, So we can create our own environment. We can select what all players can see this environment. There are different background preset to choose from, so you can choose based on your choice. So say I've selected purple one. Okay, and then this is auto switch with time, means this environment will be updated based on the time. If we uncheck this, then you can specify specific time of the day. Say I have selected this night. Okay, and then you can specify the intensity. Okay, say I have selected one. Okay, then blur, how much blur will be there, that you can specify. Say I have given 0.2. Light color you can specify. Say I have selected this red. Okay, and filter also you can provide. We have this monochrome, purple, yellow, blue, cyan, red. Say I have selected purple here, and then the background color also you can specify which one you want. Say white, green, blue, orange, red. So say I've selected this red, and the environmental elements also you can specify whether you want to see stars. So you can see we can change the strength and the count will be updated for that stars. So similarly galaxy also, if you want to see, you can increase the strength, and then you can see the galaxy also, like those constellations, like you can see, right? And then the light color you can specify here. They have selected red. Clouds also, if you want to see, you can select the clouds. Okay, and here are the clouds tab, what all types of cloud you need to see. Say you only need high clouds, you can select high, and mid, low. Okay, so all these you can select. And similarly for you can also add light source. Okay, so if I add a light source, so here light source you can select point light or spotlight. Spotlight will be like this, and point light will be just from the point of source light will be coming. Okay, so say I have selected spotlight here. So I have selected a red color. You can increase the AV, angle, intensity, effective range, means at what distance it will be enabled. Okay, user can see that light. So yeah, this is about the light source. And yeah, so if we go back to our environment, so and also we have this weather. Okay, so basically this is used for adding the fog as of now. So you can create your own fog. So various property you can define, like what is the fog color. Say I have selected red. Near fog distance means at what distance fog will be visible. So say I have selected wind, and then the density of the fog you can specify. So let's say I selected 0.8, and then sky fog also you can specify here. And this is the here also you can specify the high fog color. So say like this. Okay, then distance you have 100 here, and fog decline distance, at what distance the fog will start to decline. Okay, so if you increase this value, and if you decrease this value, then you can see fog is still visible at 5 meter distance, and if you increase the value, then fog will be reduced. Okay, so yeah. these I have selected our place. So if we check this out, one second, I need to lift that preset point on the terrain. Okay, so if I go to preset point management, so here you can see the effect of the environment. Yeah, so this is all about the terrain in it. Okay, thank you. Hello, so today we will be learning how we can create a underground waterway tunnel in using terrains. Okay, so we have this main terrain. Okay, so if I edit this and then open this terrain, this is the terrain. Okay, so if I choose this brush, then if I select delete, okay, so you can see I can delete this, right? So now I will create one more terrain. So you can also enable this create based on grid lines, and then this is the level which you can increase at what level you want to create a terrain. Okay, so let's reset this to 0. Okay, so if I reset it to 2, so it will create at one position above, right? So I want to create, okay, one position say above. Okay, so what I will do, first I will go down. Okay, and then so this is the above one. Okay, yeah, so first I will patch up that terrain. Okay, so I want to, yeah, so this is patched up. So now I want to create, okay, say 2 positions above. Okay, 2 will be fine. Yeah, so you can see we have this layer. Okay, also we can like this, and this is fine. What so yeah, this is fine. Okay, so now I move this to upwards. So now I want to create some space so that player can go downwards. Okay, so second. Acidity. This should be anything. Yeah, so we have this upper level and then the lower level. So we are right now in the below terrain. So here you can create the water. So firstly we will create the boundaries. Okay. Like this you can create the boundary. So this boundary part is done. Now we will go underground. So this is the underground part. Now if you want you can create water here. So say I want to cover only this part. So yeah, here we have the water. So we check this out now. So this is the up part of the terrain. If we jump down from here, so we reach the underground part of the terrain. And if we see, here we have the water. So like this you can create the underground waterway. You can customize this also if you want. Say you want to remove this boundary and you can add some other scenery you can add here, or some walls, whatever you want. So yeah, this is how we can create a underground waterway with using the terrains. Yeah, thank you.